U.S. Consumer Finance Regulator orders supervision of Google payment amid legal challenge. In a significant move by the U.S. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, Google Payment Corp. Has been brought under federal supervision. This decision, announced on Friday, comes amidst worries that the payment services provided by Google may pose a risk to consumers. Google Payment responded swiftly, challenging the order in a lawsuit, underscoring the growing tensions between Silicon Valley and government regulators. The CFPB's action signifies an increased scrutiny of tech companies that venture into financial services, a trend that has accelerated under the administration of President Joe Biden. Specifically, the regulator cited nearly 300 consumer complaints involving issues such as fraud, scams, and unauthorized transactions. These incidents, according to the CFPB, do not necessarily indicate that Google Payment engaged in wrongdoing, but highlighted potential regulatory violations, including failures to investigate erroneous transactions effectively. In its lawsuit, Google Payment Corp. Argues against the CFPB's decision, pointing out that the cited product posing risks has been discontinued and, as such, cannot be a current threat. This clash is unfolding during the final weeks of Biden's presidency, with potential implications for the regulatory landscape depending on the policies of the incoming administration of President-elect Donald Trump. On top of this, last month, the CFPB finalized regulations that expand its supervision to include tech companies offering digital wallets and payment services, aligning them with traditional banking institutions under its regulatory umbrella. Despite pushback from Republican legislators urging the agency to hold back on rulemaking in the transition period, the CFPB has proceeded with its agenda. The case underscores a broader debate about the role and reach of regulation in the fintech sector, which has seen exponential growth and is increasingly intersecting with traditional financial services. This regulatory scrutiny is part of a broader effort to ensure consumer protection in the rapidly evolving digital finance landscape. As the situation develops, the fintech industry and regulatory bodies may need to navigate complex legal and operational landscapes. The outcome of this legal challenge could set significant precedents regarding the extent of regulatory oversight applicable to tech companies engaged in financial activities. Thank you for choosing Satori News.